I try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Gutowski. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing so well and staying safe during this crazy time that we're all going through. I have missed you guys so much, so you know I had to make a video. Not only to check in with how you guys are doing, but just to show you guys how I'm doing, because it's been crazy. A lot has happened since I've last talked to you guys, not only with me, but with the world around us. But I'm so excited that I'm blessed to be stuck at home so that I can make some more content for you guys, because I know I'm just about getting pretty bored in my room, so I'm pretty sure you guys are too. So hopefully we can keep each other company. I mean, unless you're not bored, then, you know, I'll just go take a nap or watch Netflix or something, and we could just, you know, go FaceTime a friend. I'm just kidding. That being said, if you guys haven't subscribed already, please make sure to subscribe down below. We are less than 200 subscribers away from 100K. That is insane. So if you want to be part of the Lovely Squad, please hit subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up for this little dinosaur. Anyways guys, for today's video, I'm going to be doing a room transformation video, which I have been waiting to do for so long. My room is just finally getting to be this place that I just love being in all the time. So even though quarantine's been really messy, ups and downs of emotions, I feel like I always have a nice space to go back to and just chill out and relax. My room is pretty much done being decorated, but I do have one wall in my room that is just blank. It's a white wall. You know, I have a desk in front of it with my vanity on it, and I've just been looking at it like, that's so boring, that's so bland. But then I was scrolling on TikTok one day and I saw these videos of these collages that people put on their walls. Now, let me tell you, this isn't anything new. I've been seeing this on Instagram, Pinterest, but I don't know why. Once I saw it on TikTok, it kind of just hit different, and I was like, I need that. I don't know if I'm just that addicted to the app and it just makes me want to buy everything that I see on it, but that's pretty much what happened. So when I was looking up, there's pretty much two ways that you can go about doing this. There is the DIY way. Really fun. You can pick out your own pictures from Pinterest and stuff and just really customize it to what you want on your wall. And then the second way is buying a pre-made collage kit, which is obviously a little bit more expensive because they pick out the photos for you, so you don't really have to go searching for them. They also print out larger photos for you for cheaper, and yeah, that's usually why it's more expensive. Oh my god, I literally can't breathe today. I'm fine. It's just that I'm talking a lot, and I haven't been talking to anybody with the social distancing. Guys, we all need to talk a little bit more, because think about it. If we're all social distancing at home, we're probably not talking to a lot of people, and so our lungs are gonna get weak already from being at home and not talking to anybody. I don't mean to frighten anybody. Forget I said that. Just start talking to your cats or something, or your dog. So I was originally gonna go the DIY route and just pick all my photos and print them out and do all of that stuff. Then I looked on the Terra website and they had one collage kit that was only $49. So I was like, okay, that's not that bad. They sell a collage kit that's $89 or $90 something, and I was like, there is no way that I am spending $90+ on some paper and pictures that I did not even take. With all that being said, I did end up buying both kits. I ended up doing the Terra collage kit and then also doing a DIY kit, but the Terra one ended up coming in sooner. Since the Terra collage kit came first, I'm going to be putting this on my wall today. I will be comparing the DIY one with the Terra collage kit. So let's go.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if the sky is falling down,
Think I try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now. It's time time that you made your mind up. 'Cause lately all it ever does is change.
Okay guys, so now that you saw the outcome of the Tezza collage kit, which is so beautiful, it is now a couple days later and I finally got in all the pictures for my DIY collage kit, which you know I made myself. And guys, I may have gone a little bit overboard with how many pictures I bought, just a tad. I got over 300 pictures, but hear me out. I got all my photos printed from snapfish.com. It's just like any other photo website. You guys can get your photos printed from Walmart, Walgreens, CVS. They all do the same thing. Snapfish had the best deals and like discounts. That's why I was able to get so many photos. The deals were just blowing off. They were just too good and I could not pass them up. Anyways, I'll talk about all the price breakdown, what I actually got specifically and everything like that at the end of the video when I'm comparing the two. But yeah, let's just get into this. So the first thing that you need to do to make a DIY collage kit is find some photos, which I got all my photos off of Pinterest. It's pretty much the best place to find folders already made of this kind of stuff. You don't want to look for like 70 pictures, 50 pictures, 25 pictures of the same kind of like aesthetic that you want. You can go on Pinterest and find these folders that are already made of the same kind of like aesthetic that you want. So that's why I really like Pinterest. Otherwise, you can just go on Google. So I hopped on my computer and pretty much the keywords that you're going to want to search for on Pinterest, kind of things like wall collage, pink aesthetic, orange aesthetic, or any color aesthetic that you want for your wall. You can look up certain time periods like 90s aesthetic or like 70s aesthetic, which I thought was really cool. I looked up things like girly aesthetic, inspirational quotes, and all that fun stuff, and you guys can just search anything you want and they'll be right there on Pinterest for you. Then you're going to want to go into whatever photo printing website that you're going to be using, which I use Snapfish. I uploaded my photos, picked the kind of photos that I wanted, so the size and also the finish, which I got 3 different types, some 6x10 photos, which is pretty much the standard, and these are also the cheapest to get on any website. They're just like a really good size. This is a scene from The Little Rascals. She goes, boys, ugh. Anyways, did I say this was a 6x4? What did I say? I feel like I didn't say 6x4. Whatever I said before, 6x10. This is a 6x4. It's pretty much the size of my hand. And then this is a 4x4, which this says, what the heck, dude? Which is like the size of my palm, I guess you could say. And then just as a little extra, I got some 8x10s just to have of myself. This one, and I got this one. And the size of an 8x10 is pretty much the size of like a school paper. So guys, the wall that I'm going to be doing this DIY collage kit is actually right behind me, right here. It's right next to my bed, so I feel like it's going to be really nice to be like the first thing I see in the morning. My favorite inspirational quotes and fun pictures. It's just going to bring me so much happiness and I'm really excited. I think that's enough said, so let's get started.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Think I'd try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now. It's time that you made your mind up. 'Cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking. Going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay. 'Cause now is the right time. And I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win right now. It's a fun night. You got me up tonight. 'Cause loving you is like I'm walking a tightrope so high. I won't be turning around. No, I won't be turning around.
Okay guys, so now that you've been able to see the Tezza collage kit and also my DIY collage kit, go right now and comment down below which one of you is your guys' favorite. Not gonna lie guys, I think the DIY one might be my favorite. Anyways, let's get into comparing the two. As for pricing, the Tezza collage kit retails for $49 on the Tezza website. It came with 75 8x10 photos and it covered up most of my wall. Since the Tezza collage kit is something that you just buy and it's already pre-made and you don't get to really choose the photos yourself, there were some photos that I didn't like as much, so I didn't end up actually using them on my wall. But I pretty much used most of the photos. There's probably like less than 10 that I didn't. As for the DIY collage kit, I paid $35 and I got 376 photos, a lot more than the Tezza collage kit. They are definitely smaller. doesn't even matter the size of them because it fills up the whole wall once you like put them all together, and that's what really matters. I also really love the fact that there's so many different photos on my wall. Instead of like really large photos of just the same thing covering up your wall, I have so much variety. It's kind of nice. They had a ton of discount codes. Free this, free that, 50% off, 75% off. I literally saved $44 just on discounts. So it would have been like way more, but with the discounts, I saved $44. Now, I didn't really notice this at first, but when I got the Tesla Collage Kit, I opened up the package and I was like, oh my god, these photos are so beautiful. Pink, they're so girly, and I can't wait to put them on my wall. The paper felt a little interesting to me. It's not like photo paper, it's more like printer paper that you just use on a printer. I put it on my wall, it looks cute, I was happy with it. Then I got the Snapfish photos in and I was like, these look amazing. They're shiny, but also matte, beautiful. They're on actual photo paper. I was pretty shook. I thought the Tesla Collage Kit looked good until I got this one, and let me tell you, these look a lot better. Not only are the Snapfish photos way more bright, way more colorful and vibrant, they're also all focused. They're all really nice quality photos, which I was a little bit scared for because I had to pick out the photos on my own, so I was kind of scared that I was going to upload like not good quality photos. Luckily, while you're uploading your photos onto Snapfish, it lets you know if any photos are low quality, then you can just take them off. So we were good with that, and all the photos turned out so nice. So yeah, I would just say if you're going to get the Tesla Collage Kit, just know that the pinks and the colors of everything, they just don't hit the same. These are so much more vibrant and they're cheaper. There's just so much I could say about the DIY route. I just feel like it's the way to go. But not to knock the Tesla Collage Kit in any way. The photos are still really beautiful, clear, cheaper than you'll get 8x10s anywhere else. And yeah, it's still a really good collage kit. Now for personalization, I would definitely say the DIY Collage Kit is the way to go. You're able to select all the photos that you want. Every photo that you are ordering is going to be one that you like. You're not only able to personalize inspirational quotes that you love, pictures of your hobby and inspirations, but you're also able to pick photos of yourself. I added a couple in of me, you know, ones that just like kind of fit the vibe. I don't know how to explain it. It's just so much better to look at photos that you picked out. It's like more personal to you because you feel like you created it, which you did because it's your own DIY Collage Kit. One thing to keep in mind that I will say is I did run out of double-sided tape like twice, and I got like 6 rolls the last time that I bought them. Let me just say that double-sided tape does not come with enough tape. Anyways, it sucks to be halfway through the project and have to run to the store, especially during this quarantine time when you really shouldn't be running to the store for like little tiny things. So definitely if you're gonna do something like this, make sure you have a buttload of tape, because if not, you're gonna have to use this sticky glue, this stuff. This is what you'll have to use if you run out of tape. It's literally like putting gum on your wall. It's not fun. I don't recommend it. I mean, I do recommend buying it just in case you do run out of tape. It's not the best. Kind of gross. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked watching so much, and if you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also comment down below which collage kit you liked better. If you guys are thinking about doing one of these collage kits in your bedroom, definitely make sure to send them to me on Instagram through DM or something, because I would love to see your guys' creations and your guys' personalizational touch to them. Once again, please stay safe during this time that we're going through. I know it's hard to stay home, but you guys just gotta pull through and do it for the safety of others and for the safety of yourself, and just stay home. Take up a new hobby, watch Netflix, binge watch your favorite YouTubers, just find anything to do. I will definitely be making more content for you guys because it feels so good to talk to you guys again, and I'm really excited. If you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe down below and join the Lovely Squad because we are almost at 100K, and we would love to have you join the fam. Also, if you're a new subscriber, comment down below because I would love to welcome you to the fam and just, you know, see how you guys are doing. You know, it's good to have someone to go through this together because sometimes it feels so alone. I'm in my room alone. But guess what? I got you guys. Also, one last thing, since it's been so long since I've kind of done an update Q&A kind of video, I really want to do one in the next couple of days, so comment down below questions for the Q&A because it's been literally like a year since I did my last Q&A. I really need to update you guys because a lot has happened. So if you guys have any questions that are like specific, I want to answer questions that you guys want to know, not just questions that are up here in my head. And yeah guys, with all that being said, I love you so much and I'll see you guys next time.